Hello everyone again and welcome back. And we've basically jumped back over to VoiceThread now because what we're going to go over is how to create our bios and share them with the rest of the class. So that way the class can get to know who we are and we can look at their bios to get to know who they are. Alright, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is upload a picture of yourself. That way it can be your thumbnail. This picture is basically going to represent you. Anytime you make a comment, leave a post, any type of remark, this picture will display to show this is who's speaking. So to change this, I'm going to hit this down arrow in the top right hand corner of the screen and go down to My Identities. Once I've done this, I can edit what's currently here. Now if you've uploaded the image already, you can just clear it out and reselect another image. Once you find what you wanted, just type in your name as you want it to be displayed, hit save, and then just close it out. And once you're all done, just hit done. Alright? Now secondly, we have to create our bio. That's basically talking about who we are as an artist, as a person, showing some examples of previous work that we've done, just to kind of show everybody in the class where we are currently in our development, and possibly even what we want to learn from this course. So to do this, we're going to go to the Create tab. Now there's only 3 simple steps. Just first, you're going to want to upload. So it's going to ask me where do I want to find this material from. I'm just going to say my computer. And from here you can just pick images or video that you can just upload. Now I'm going to cancel this out. And I'm just going to jump into something that I've already created, because it does take some time to upload all this media. So once I've uploaded everything, this is basically how it's going to look like. And from here you can always rearrange your images just by dragging and dropping. If I wanted this to be first, I can just do that. But I'm actually going to put it back. And so if you click on each image, it will pop up here on the left hand side. And then you can always click on the bottom here and you can change the title for the image. And if you want to put an external link, you can just add that to the bottom. Once you're done, you hit save. If you want to go ahead and remove a certain slide, you can just click on the image, hit the delete button, and confirm that you want to delete it. And once you're all done, just come down to share. You can come down to playback options if you like. Currently I have 0 seconds before it changes slides. By default it says 4. If you want it to just change as soon as you finish talking, then you can just put it down to 0 like I have it. Otherwise, you can keep it on the default 4 seconds, or you can change it. That way it can have a brief pause before it changes slides. There's also some other options, like it can start playing as soon as it opens, or it can just start off playing in full screen. You can adjust these to your liking, and once you're done, just save it out and close. Once you basically finish editing your VoiceThread bio, I'm just going to come back to my voice, and then a window will pop up asking me to save. What do I want to call this? And so I'm actually going to create something just so you can see what I'm talking about. So if I just select this image here, it's going to take about a few seconds to upload. This can kind of give you a general idea of how long it takes to upload one image. Alright, so now this image has been put up. I'm just going to add a title and add a link. Just say ncsu.edu and save. Alright. I won't leave a comment, but if I did want to add my voice, I can just click comment here and then record with a microphone, or I can just comment with a keyboard. Alright, and now once I'm all done here, just gonna go out to my voice, and it's gonna ask me, what do you want to give this as a title? I can just say test. I can give a description if I want to. I can even put tags. Once I'm done, I'm gonna hit save, and then I basically have this VoiceThread here. If you always want to jump back into your VoiceThread and edit it, you can always click on the little two button down here. Click on edit, and then you're basically back where we just came from. From this point, whenever you leave, it's automatically going to save itself. Alright, I'm actually going to delete this. Alright, so this is basically how you add a bio for yourself, and once you create it, then it's going to pop up for the rest of the class to see. Okay, so hopefully these few videos kind of get you started on how to use VoiceThread and how to use Moodle for the course. But if you have any questions at all, if anything just isn't working, you can always email me. I check my email almost all the time, so don't be afraid to shoot me an email. I'm more than happy to answer you if I can. So looking forward to a great semester. Hope to hear from you guys soon.